Right, we're back. I got another thing for you here. We're going to do an unboxing today. I got a couple things in. I think I've actually had this box, for over a week now. And this one came in today. So we're going to do a couple of little unboxings real quick to show you what I got here. Some new additions for, one is tools for my garage and for this project. And the other is parts for the project. So, without any further ado, let's get to it. I've been waiting for a while to open this, and I wanted to record it just to share with you. So let's see what we got in here. Open it up. I'll tell you what, this is very heavy. What is that? What we got over there? Can you take a look at that? Some of you might know what I got in here already after seeing that. Let's see, do we have to assemble this? No, no assembly required. So, here it is. Woodward Fab bead roller. Manually operated deal. Comes with a bunch of dies. I picked this one in particular for a couple reasons. The price was good, first of all, but also had different options for dies. Like, I looked at a few of them, and they had a lot of the same type of dies in them, but a couple variances of the different brands. And this one had a more even distribution. It had 3 sizes for a regular bead roll and 3 sizes for a step roll. And I've never done any bead rolling work. You're gonna watch me teach myself how to use this thing coming up in the future. But anyhow, so that was why I picked this particular one, and I can't wait to get started using it. I'm gonna make some kind of cool panels for my on the interior of my truck, and also some on the exterior. We spoke about in the last little clip that I made here that I have to resize the shape of the bed because somebody had previously chopped it up a little bit. So I'm going to have to make some extension pieces, and this guy right here is going to help me out with that. And almost forgot, I got something else in the house I want to show you all. But we'll get to that in a minute. Remember the bead roller? And I got something else coming back that'll go along with the sheet metal panels. Oh, and we're going to modify this thing too. I've already been watching other people's videos about how they modify all the different, making different things. Eventually I might motorize it, but I don't know if that'll be right away. I'm probably going to get through most of this project before I attempt to try to motorize it, just for the time constraints that I'm in here. I have, let's see, what is it? We're beginning of March right now. So I have less than 6 months to complete this truck. It's got to be done for August. In the second, third week of August, I want to have it. I would like to have it at least on the road where I can test it by the beginning of August. That's my goal right at the moment. So I may not have a whole lot of time to motorize it, but I'm going to do a few other modifications definitely in that time, like this particular guy right here. You can see the little knob up here. It's kind of hard to see, you're far away, but there's just a little square deal on that. I'm definitely going to put some kind of a handle, the rotating knob on there, and we'll get that taken care of on the video on this channel. So like I said, stay tuned, and we will see more of this and different things that I plan to do with it. Now, let's move on to the next box. I got this guy situated. I'll set this out to the side, and I'll pull out the other box and see what we got. All right. I don't know if you can see the logo on there. Maybe you know what I'm doing. This was definitely an integral part that I needed to get started on the framework that I'm about to start doing here. Probably this next week. I plan to get started on the frame fabrication, and I'm gonna hope to take you all along for the ride. So, without further ado, we have 4 of these guys. That's right, we got the airbags, so I can mount up all the suspension. I got 4 of them in here, by the way. There's a bunch of weird cardboard horsehair looking stuff, but they're Air Max brand 2600 airbags, and we'll see how they work out. I got them off eBay, and been looking at a bunch of different kinds, and I couldn't afford the top of the line deals, but these are kind of they came highly recommended from several other YouTubers, so hopefully these airbags will work out great for this project. I can't wait to get started. I can't wait to see this thing going up and down on the air. Hopefully that'll be, like I said, coming soon. I am going to start on the frame fabrication next week, and I will definitely be taking you all along with me. So, let me go run back in the house. I will put this on pause, and I'll go grab the one last thing that I needed to get for you. Alright, I'm back. This I actually already opened. I got this a couple weeks ago, but it's just something that I wanted to share with everybody on the channel here. But this will go along with my sheet metal work. Let's see. Got 2 different sizes here. Hopefully you can see these on the video. They're some copper pop rivets with brass shanks. That will be going on the sheet metal work on probably interior and exterior of the truck. And hopefully I'll have some creative ways to use these and make it look pretty cool in the process. But I just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And it will be coming. I am just getting started here, but please be patient with me. And once I get a little up and going, affiliated with the editing process and everything, I hope to make these videos much more regular for you. And please stay tuned, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.